In life, there are four major biomolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates are one of the most commonly known biomolecules. This structure is made out of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a 1:1 ratio. As stated by Medline Plus, carbohydrates can come in two other forms: monosaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugars such as glucose. Examples of polysaccharides are starch, cellulose, and glycogen. As stated by Medline Plus, carbohydrates' primary purposes are to provide a source of short-term energy and provide structural support such as cellulose in plants. The next biomolecule is lipids. As stated by Cleveland Clinic, lipids are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but there is less oxygen than carbs in lipids. Lipids have no true monomer, but they are built from fatty acids and glycerol. Lipids can come in two forms: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated lipids have no double bonds. Examples of saturated lipids are milk and butter. Unsaturated lipids, on the other hand, have double bonds. Examples of unsaturated lipids are oils such as olive oil, peanut oil, and canola oils. As stated by Cleveland Clinic, the primary functions of lipids are long-term energy storage, the makeup of cell membranes, phospholipids, provide insulation and protection, and lastly, act as hormones. Examples of this are steroids. The next biomolecule is proteins. Proteins are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and lastly, sometimes sulfur. As stated by Medline Plus, proteins carry a monomer of over 20 different types of amino acids. Additional to monomers, proteins also have polymers. In the polymers of the proteins, polypeptides occur, which can fold into many complex proteins. Proteins additionally can vary in many different structural levels, such as primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The functions of proteins come in many different forms: enzymes, transport, structure, defense, and movement. As stated by Medline Plus, the function of enzymes is to speed up chemical reactions. The function of transport proteins are hemoglobins carrying oxygen. The function of structural proteins are the collagen in skin and cartilage. The function of defense proteins are antibodies. And lastly, the function of movement proteins are muscle contractions, such as myosin and actin. The fourth and final biomolecule we'll be covering today is nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Nucleic acids carry both monomers and polymers. The monomers of nucleic acids are nucleotides composed of a sugar phosphate group and nitrogenous base. The polymers of nucleic acids consist of DNA and RNA. As stated by genome.gov, the function of nucleic acids are to store and transmit genetic information and direct protein synthesis. Examples of nucleic acids are DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA or ribonucleic acid. The purpose of DNA is to store genetic code, and the purpose of RNA is to help build proteins based on DNA instructions.